find the 16th term here. Well, I'm going to start with negative 6. I can see that I'm going down by 7. Subtract 7. I'm going to do this pattern twice. There's 1, 2, 3. 3. I'm going to get to 16. 3. 4. Enter. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Negative 11. Correct answer is D. It says the florist is making 5 identical bouquets. Each bouquet has 24 flowers in it. So I know 24 times 5. 24 times 5 is 120. So all the flowers combined equal 120. So roses plus tulips plus lilies is 120. 120, 120. Oh, not 24. They forgot to take it times 5 bouquets. Not correct. Okay. I know that $6 a rose, $4 tulip, $3 a lily adds up to $610. Adds up to $610. Oh, they forgot to put what each individual one costs. Now the last part, it says that you need to have twice as many roses as the two others combined. So roses, there's twice as many. So in order for them to be equal, remember if I told you that Candy and Wyatta, Candy had twice the grade of Wyatta. In order for them to be equal, I'd have to take 2 times Wyatta to equal Candy. The smaller one gets taken by the multiplier that is chosen. In this case, it is double. So double that of tulips plus lilies. So it says again, it's twice as many as roses as the other two combined. So R equals 2T plus 2L. When you move them over, it'd be R minus 2T minus 2L. R minus 2T minus 2L, not plus. Correct answer is B. At 7 a.m., the temperature is 62. By 2 p.m., the temperature is 90. All right, how do we get this? Well, the temperature's on top. So 90 minus 62 is 28. And what's the difference in the time? So from 7 o'clock until 2 o'clock is 7 hours. Divide to get 4 degrees per hour. Now, rent a car, it costs an automatic $50 to deposit money. So from your total, you're going to take away 50, and with the remaining money, you get $25 per day. Divided by 25, that gives you 11 days. Charlie's Theme Park charged $40 for individual admission plus $10 for parking. The following year, parking remains the same, but the charge to get in is increased by 20, so it's now going to be $60 to get in. So automatically, regardless of those last year or this year, you're paying $10 before you even pay for admission to the park. Last year, it looked like your family paid this much for each as a rate to get into the park. This year, the price of admission has increased, but regardless, what you're paying remains the same. So the slope increases, but the y-intercept remains the same. Down here, I can see that we have 16 as our y-intercept. Keep that in mind, and we have a negative slope. Now, when I go through and if I solve for each of these, I can see that these particular two, watch here, I'm going to have negative y equals, move this over, negative 25x plus 16. Again, I moved this over, and now I'm going to divide by this negative 1. I get y equals 25x minus 16. I want a positive 16, not a negative 16. That doesn't work. I'm going to go up to C. I'm going to move the 25 over, and I get y equals negative 25x plus 16. Okay, start at 16, the slope of negative 25 over 1. That means drop 25, go over 1. Drop 25, go over 1. There's our correct answer.
All students should be in class at this time.